Okay, guys, so these are the pages I want you to work on in the packet. So we reviewed some more 3-letter sounds today that we see in our story a lot. So you're going to do 3 pages in your packet that have to do with letter sounds. So they are numbered 11, 12, and 13. They may not be in this order depending on the packet, but you should have 11, 12, and 13. So page 11, you have 5 different images and they have a word that goes with them. I'm going to say what each word is since it doesn't tell you, and you're going to say it aloud, and then you need to circle if the beginning sound is a k, k or a d. Okay, so the first word is decorate. Decorate. Does that start with k or d? Okay, decorate. The next one is kids. Kids. So does kids start with k or d? Next one is door. D, d, door. So sound it out and then circle what it starts with. Next, this image is download. D, d, download. Does that start with k or d? And then the last one is kindness. Kindness. So circle if it starts with k or d. And then after you do all those, I'm going to go to page 12. Okay, this is the same thing, but we have an extra letter sound. We have our w, our W that makes the w sound. So here you're going to be doing the same thing. You might see some of the same words that were on the first one, so you're going to practice those again, but there may be some new ones. And you're also going to be practice writing your letter as well. So you're going to say the word, and then you need to write in the box underneath its starting letter sound, if it's a d, w, or k. So I'm going to go through them really quickly, and you can rewatch this or pause it as you go. So here they did the first one. This is download. D, download. It starts with d. So we wrote a D under for the d sound. This is decorate, kindness, kids. What's this one? This is week. Week. What does a week start with? This is door. This one is with. With. Oh, where's that one? Yeah. Okay, and then this word is do. Do. So that's why I'm saying them, because it might be hard to know just by looking at the pictures. Okay, do. And then this is website. Website. And parents, the words are on the bottom. If you do need help reading through them again, you may just want to cover them when you're doing them with your child so they can't see what the beginning sound is or letter. Okay, so you're going to write in what the beginning letter sound is. And then the last page I want you to do, same thing. We're practicing those beginning letter sounds, and then we'll start going into end sounds and whatnot. But here we're just looking at D and C again to really help us practice reading those words and saying those sounds. So here the directions say that you can cut and then glue, you can sort them onto a piece of paper. So you can cut and glue all the letters that start with D in one column and C in one column. So you can do that if you'd like to cut and paste, or what you can do is just write the letter next to each one. So I'm going to use a pencil to show you. So we know this is download. Download starts with D. So you can just write the letter D. Okay? I'm going to erase it so I don't forget. But you can just write them all in. All right, I'm going to say what the words are again, so we know that's download. This one is contest. Contest. Here's door. Community. Community. California. California. Decorate. Do. Compliment. So he's giving her a compliment. The word here is compliment. So you can just write in the beginning letter sound if you'd like, or if you want to cut and sort them, you can do that. You prefer. Okay, so we are going to do those 3 for today. Yeah. And then you can stop. I do have some fun extra pages that I'm not going to assign, but if you want to do those, sometime this week, where is it? I've got like a connect the dots. And then this is a really good one to help practice with our numbers. You can do this one. So you have to read up here the number and it tells you what color you need to color that number. So here 4 is green. So if you see the number 4, you have to color it in green. 5, you color in gray. So find the number 5. Here it is. Here's some 5s. You'd color in that rectangle gray. Okay, so you'll do that with the whole image and then it'll reveal a secret picture and you can circle what you see. Okay, so you don't have to do this one today. This is an extra, but you can do it today or this week if you'd like for some practice with your numbers and coloring and shapes. Okay. All right. So then you can also go to boomlearning.com and you can pick 1 or 2 math boom decks you have on your site. And then I also posted, I assigned you a boom deck that goes with our story and the 5 senses that you can do today, as well as a little writing web from our story that I posted on Google Classroom, a little Google slide. So you don't have to do all that today if it's too much. You can do some of it today and some tomorrow or a different day, but those are all your choices to do today. All right, see you tomorrow.